Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Sounds and Vibration. Then you can click on Vibrate to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. You can also select Sound and click on the switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Now scroll down and choose Call Vibration Pattern. Then select one of those patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one for you and going back. You can do exactly the same for your notifications by tapping on Notification Vibration Pattern. Lastly, choose vibration intensity and adjust intensity of touch vibrations by swiping left or right. You can also click on System Sound Vibration Control over here and switch on or off vibrations for all of those switchers by tapping on the switchers next to them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!